Well, everybody, it's July 12th. Yes, it is. It's I don't know what's going on, but it's July 12th, and we're going to do some sound effects again. If I can put this somewhere to lean against it. There we go. Let's do some sound effects, July 12th. The things you never knew I could do, huh? No? Let's see if I can do an alien. Didn't know I could do that, could you? Didn't know I could do that one, huh? Here we go. Funny sound effects here, yeah. Whoop, I didn't. That's not gonna do it, I guess, today. Okay, let's see. Hold that thought. One more sound. You already did that one, huh? Whoa. Made me laugh on that one. And scream. See if I can do a drum. Yes, I can. Jetsons. I don't think so. Anyway. Yeah, we can do that, right? Oh, here we go. Wait. Wow, I didn't even know I could do that either. This thing's blowing up. Wow, that is wild. I'm a crazy nut. Don't mind me. Okay, but this is gonna make you. Just crack up laughing, you know.
Really?
Mm-hmm. See if I can do anything that's not a burp, but something else. Excuse me.
Ugh, cringe.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa!
Not very exciting though, is it? Whoa. Something fell over there. I don't know. No clue what it was. Oh, man. But that really scared me so much to do that. See if I can do thunder. Hold on. Shocking. Shocking, wasn't it? See if I can do a little animal toy. Okay, how about this? It's slow motion though. Nah. My impersonation of a phone dying. A splat. Do that again. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed these sound impersonations of July 12, 2025.